Hey Roblox fans, want to add some flair to your display name with Russian letters? I will show you how to do it easily. Let's jump right in. First of all, you will need access to Russian letters. Go to Settings on your device and add the Russian keyboard layout. For most systems, this is under Language and Input Settings. Next, open Roblox and navigate to your settings. Under Account Info, click on Display Name. Use your Russian keyboard to type your new display name in Russian letters and then save it. After saving, your new display name with Russian letters will appear on your profile and in games. Make sure it follows Roblox's guidelines to avoid any issues. And that's it. You have successfully added Russian letters to your Roblox display name. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Roblox tips. Thanks for watching.